Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access and making a backup. This prevents data loss. Once your cPanel, SFTP or SSH credentials are ready, export the database and copy wp-config. PHP. You then check core permissions because incorrect permissions often block wp-admin. Set folders to 755 and files to 644. If you see a permissions error, change ownership, or run chmod via SSH. Make sure to keep a local copy of the SQL export. It lets you restore quickly if a later step goes wrong. Next, you isolate WordPress config and plugins because most login failures come from conflicts. First, disable plugins by renaming the plugins folder. If you regain WP-admin access, a plugin caused it. Then inspect. Htaccess. Replace it with a default WordPress rewrite block and remove accidental redirects that trap WP-admin. You also open wp-config. PHP to verify DB name, DB user, DB password, and DB host. Typos here prevent login. Once done, reactivate plugins one by one to find the offender and note which caused. You finish by restoring admin access and validating the environment. If passwords fail, reset the admin via phpMyAdmin or use wp-cli. WP user update 1 user pass equals new pass 123. Then review server error logs and confirm PHP version matches WordPress requirements because incompatibility can break logins. Make sure to clear browser and server caches after changes. If none of this helps, contact your host with the error messages. They can check permissions, mod security, or firewall rules that may be blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.